How to change music font on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a story over here. Now swipe and select on story, and here I am clicking a picture, for example. Now after clicking a picture, you get the option of this icon over here at the top. So just select that and you get the options. Now select music over here. Now after that, you can select any music that you want to add into your story. Here I'm choosing this song for me. So now you can choose any line that best fits for your video or your photo. Now to change the font, what you can do is we can swipe these options right over here as I'm doing here. You can change it in a different way according to your preference. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.